Students, till now we have studied the definition of perimeter, then we have seen how to calculate the area by counting the number of squares in the given shape. Now we are going to see something different, that how much is the space filled up in the square. Based on that we can decide the area of that particular shape. Okay, for example, just to see here, right? If your square is completely filled, right? If it is full, that means it's बहुत अच्छे से dark किया हुआ है, अच्छे से completely filled है. So you have to consider the area of such squares as students. You have to consider the area of such squares as 1 square centimeter. Right? If it is completely filled, you have to consider it as a 1. Now, if it is half, so if it is half, मतलब अगर आधा है, so you have to consider the area of this particular square as 1/2 square centimeter. Is it clear? So it is half of the square. If it is less than half, अगर आधे का भी आधा है students, अगर आधे का भी आधा है, right? So we will not consider the area of such particular squares and will be writing the area as 0 square centimeter. Right? अगर आधे का भी आधा होता है students, तो in that case you have to consider the area as 0 of that particular square. Now see this last one student, this is this is more than half, यानी आधे से भी अगर ज़्यादा है, आधे से भी ज़्यादा है, तो in such cases you have to consider the area as students 1 square centimeter. अगर आधे से भी ज़्यादा है तो उसे 1 पूरा completely आपको मानना है, right? Completely fill हो तो भी 1 मानना है, और आधे से भी ज़्यादा, if it is more than half, then also you have to consider it as a 1. If it is half, then you can directly write it as a half. If it is less than half, students, you have to consider it as a 0 square centimeter. Students, based on this particular topic, we are having certain shapes which are there in our textbook. So let's see that. Okay students, now we are going to see the page number 40 of your textbook, right? That means standard 5th textbook. There is a heading that how many squares in me, right? Now what is the area of this triangle? This girl is asking that what is the area of this triangle, right? Now the triangle is half of the rectangle of area 2 square centimeter. That means, see, if we consider this 2 squares, then we get 1 rectangle, right? Now 1 plus 1, so that is 2. Now this is half, this triangle is half of this rectangle. So students, we will be writing the area of a square as 1 square centimeter. That means the area of this particular triangle will be 1 square centimeter. Similarly, here also the student is asking, is this shape half of the big rectangle? Is this shape the half of the big rectangle? That means, see, this is a big rectangle, right? Now the student is asking, this particular shape is the half, is it the half of this big shape? Yes, so its area is, now if you consider this big shape as your rectangle, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 squares are being there. Now if we consider this shape as half of the big rectangle, that means the area of this particular shape should be 4 square centimeters. See the answer, 4 square centimeter, because here we are considering it as a half of this big rectangle, right? Okay students, now see the below question, that is write the area in square centimeter of the shapes below. That means A, B, C, D, E and F. So E and F, total these figures have been there, and we have to write the area of all this shapes, right students? Now just have a look here students, if the box is completely filled, that for example if this is the shape, if it is completely filled, if this square is completely filled, then we will consider it as a 1. If it is a half filled, then I will be putting there this dot, right? So you have to consider half 1. That means if two such dots will be there, then you have to consider it as a 1. Now this is a star mark, that means 1 by 4, right? So wherever I put this star mark, that means it is the 1 by 4th part of the particular square. Now 1 by 4, total 4 such 4 such स्टार मार्क्स आता है, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज अ 1. ऐसे 4 जब आएंगे तब उसको मिलकर बनता है 1. ओके, जस्ट हैव अ लुक हियर स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ से दिस पर्टिकुलर ए फिगर, राइट? सो वेर एवर आई पुट द 1, राइट? सो दैट इज मीन्स इट इज़ अ complete 1. This is a complete one, only this much is left. Still, as I told you in the lecture, that means it is to be considered as a 1. This one is 2, right? This one it's 3, 4 completely filled, 5 also completely filled. Now just to see this much, this is less than half and half, तो इसको हम consider नहीं करेंगे. So this one, see this particular box, and you can feel that this particular this particular space is half of this big square. So I am putting here dot because I consider it as a half. Similarly, this one is also half, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half and half becomes 1. So the area of this A is 6 square centimeter. Is it okay, students? Now moving to the B one. So wherever it is completely filled, so there I am writing 1. This is my completely filled square. See the second square, students, this is also completely filled. So 2. This is also completely filled, that means 3. This is also completely filled, so it's 4, right? Now see students, this and this, half. This and this also half. This and this half. This and this half. So here I am putting dot. Is it okay? Now half and half becomes 1. So 4, then 5, then 6, 7, 8. Right? Now you can see still here some space have been remaining. That means here I am going to put star mark. That means this is 1/4 of my particular square. यानी पूरे स्क्वायर का चौथा ही पार्ट, दैट मीन्स 1/4. अगर हम ये स्क्वायर करें तो उसके हम 4 पार्ट्स करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, राइट? तो ये उसका 1/4 पार्ट है. सो आई एम पुटिंग 4 स्टार मार्क्स. So 4 star marks makes 1 area, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 students, half 5, half of 6, half of 7, half of 8, and this all star makes 1. So total 9 square centimeter. Now moving to C students. Now just have a look here. See this one, completely filled 1. Completely filled 2. Now this and this we are considering it as half, right? This is also in half only, half of the square, right? So 1, 2, half of makes 1. So 3, half of makes 1. So 4. So the area of this particular C shape is 4 square centimeter, right students? Now moving to D. 1 completely filled, 2 completely filled, this D where it is written 3, it is 4, this is 5, and student this is a half. See, if you can see the square students, right? So this is a half, this is also half. So I am putting here the dot mark. So this dot means half. So half and half makes 1. So 5 plus 1 students, the area of this particular D is 6 square centimeter. Is it clear? Now moving to E, right? This is completely fill, completely 3, 4, 5, 6. Say this is half, so I am putting dot. This is also half, so I am putting dot. So 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, again half, 12, then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and this also half, right students? See, till 18 it is completely filled. right? Half becomes 1, so 19. Half becomes 1, so 20. Half becomes 1, so 21. So the area of E figure is 21 square centimeter. Is it clear? Okay students, now take up this F1, right? So this is a completely filled box. This is also completely filled, right? Now you just have to look over this particular portion. See students, this is actually more than half. See देखिए ये इसका half होता है, ठीक है? Now this is actually more than half. So more than half it is considered as a 1 only. So देखिए मैडम यहाँ पे ऐसा सिंबल रख रहे हैं. So that is considered as a 1 only. इसका मतलब 1 ही होता है, राइट? इफ़ इट इज़ मोर देन हाफ देन ऑल्सो उसका एरिया हम 1 मानेंगे. देन ये देखो आधे का भी आधा है. सो आधे का आधा मीन्स इफ इट इज़ लेस देन ऑफ योर हाफ देन ऑल्सो यू विल नॉट कंसिडर इट इट्स एरिया. See this is also more than half, so here I am also putting the circle. This I am not going to count. This one also more than half. This I am not going to consider. This one is also more than half students. So यहाँ पर भी हम circle करेंगे. And this is actually less than half, right? So if it is more than half, then also you have to consider the area of this one as a students 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the area of this F figure is 8 square centimeter, right students? Okay students, now we are going to start with the page number 41, right? Try the triangles, right? Say this is the triangle that is this is a rectangle inside which we have been given two triangles. Now Samira is asking, both the big triangles in this rectangle have the same area. Both the big triangles in this rectangle have the same area. Now she is telling that this triangles, if you can see in this rectangle, both the triangles have the same area. Yes, but Sadiq is saying that but this look very different. See, if you see this blue triangle and if you see this red triangle, then both will look the different students. दोनों different दिख रहे हैं, but actually they are both same, right? The only difference is the drawing. This is actually been drawn the half of this rectangle, right? And this triangle has been drawn like this. This is also considered as only half of the big rectangle, right? Only the differences of the drawing, rest both are same. As far as the area is concerned, students, the area of this blue and the area of this red, both are same. Okay, the blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. As I told just now that this blue triangle is half of this big rectangle. That means whatever is the area of the rectangle, you have to consider the area of triangle as the half. So the area of big rectangle is 20 square centimeter. That means rectangle का area है, that is 20 square centimeter. So the area of blue triangle. Now if we can say that the blue triangle is half of this rectangle, so we have to consider the area of blue triangle as 10, right? Because triangle जो है वो rectangle का आधा है, it is half, right? And what about the red triangle? So if, as I told you, that blue and red both are similarly in the area, the only difference is their drawings, right? But we have to consider this red triangle as also half of this big rectangle. So the area of the red triangle will be also 10 square centimeter, right? In it there are two halves of two different rectangles, right? If you can see here it is a orange color rectangle, right? And this is half of this rectangle, right? So we have got one triangle. Similarly we are having a green color rectangle also. If we do the half of this rectangle, then also we are getting a triangle only, right? Now you find the area of these two rectangles. Sadiq is talking about what is the area of the red triangle. Okay, we have to find the area of the red triangle. Okay, see the area of this particular rectangle, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Why we are considering 1, 1? Because they are completely filled. So the area of this particular rectangle is, students, 12. right? Now if we consider the area of this particular triangle, right, so it is considered the half of 12. Half of 12 means 6. Is it clear students? ये जो आपका ये वाला triangle है, this में this triangle, right, the one which I am shading, इसका area हो जाएगा 6. Similarly, just have a look over here students. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total 8 squares are been there. If I consider the area of this particular triangle, then it is considered as a half of this rectangle. So इसका बड़े वाले का 8 है, right? If I consider the half, students, half of 8 means 4, right? Now 6 and 4, that means 6 of this triangle and 6 of this triangle. So 6 plus 4 together makes the area of the big red triangle as 10 square centimeter. देखो ये वाले का 6 और ये वाले का 4, तो 6 और 4 अगर हमें ऐड कर दे, सो वी गेट द एरिया ऑफ दिस बिग रेड ट्राइंगल. इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड.
आभार.